Alright, let's show everybody what's going on this morning. She's got her feeding tube. We're giving her a little bit of breakfast. Okay, nice and steady, little girl. Say hi, everybody. Just a little bit cold this morning. Good girl, nice and easy. Takes a long time, get a little bit each time. She doesn't gag or throw up. So her belly gets used to this. About halfway there, baby girl. She has to do this for 2 weeks, maybe longer. And after this, we gotta make her pee. Just don't want her to gag. You're a good girl. Gotta put a little bit of weight back on her. She ain't had no food in 4 days. This will be her first meal. Because of all the pain medicine, we have to take it really slow because her stomach might be a little upset. But I think she's hungry because when I was eating last night, she was watching me. So far, so good. Of course, this food might be making her a little bit cold. She's a good girl. She's actually taking the feeding tube better than I thought she would. We got about 1/4 of the way to go. Say hi, Leo. Say hi. She's a good girl.